Hello and welcome guys. Let's understand question 5. Using elementary transformations, find the inverse of each of the matrices if it exists in exercises 1 to 17. The given matrix is 2, 1, 7, 4. The answer is A is equal to 2, 1, 7, 4. A is equal to IA. This implies 2, 1, 7, 4 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Now performing the operations, we'll multiply row 1 with 3 and subtract it from row 2. So we'll get 2, 1, 1, 3 is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 1 into A. After that, we'll subtract row 2 from row 1. After subtracting row 2 from row 1, we'll get 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, yeah. So 1, 0, 1, 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 3, 1 into A. Now we subtract row 1 from row 2 and we'll get row 2 as 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So the matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 7 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7 and 1 minus of minus 1 is 2 into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 7, 2. Thus, the inverse of matrix A is obtained. I hope you understood. Bye. See you with the next question.